What's up guys, in this video I just wanna make quick unboxing of PlayStation 4 Dualshock 4 controller. This is a newer one with the light on front, and I thought it's a nice controller in red. I like the color, so I thought I make a video so you can guys see also. And I'm thinking also to make PlayStation 3 and 4 series, also jailbreaking. So if you guys thinking it's a good idea, let me know down below in the comments. So I will make series on PlayStation 3 and 4. With that being said, I will show you now the controller, so enjoy the video.